Hey everybody, missing you. Wish we were in the classroom instead of in these weird times that we're in. But I want to help you out in this video by helping you out with the login problems, where you're going to find your work every week, how to turn it in, what your work's going to look like this week, and talk to you about what kind of video conferencing and talking we might be doing since Zoom is not an option anymore. So just to let you know, we are encountering some people having login problems while the IT department's working on it. So if you're having problems on Monday, just let me know as soon as you can and I'll put in a request to get it fixed. But we actually don't start school until Wednesday, so it's going to be okay. Just take a breath. I know we're all kind of struggling with this together. Okay, let's go ahead and look at where you're going to find your work. So you're going to actually go to Google Classroom, either using your Clever badge or using your email address and your password. So let's see what that looks like. All right, so this is our class page, Google Classroom. And in the past, kids, I would post a question on what's called the stream. And we actually just made like comments like we were doing a discussion board talking in class. But because we're not doing it that way anymore, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. It says right here to click on the tab called classwork because that's where all of your classwork's going to be from now on. And I'm going to have a little YouTube video link right here for the directions of the week, and I'll change it every single week to explain the assignments to you every week so that you know what to do. So let's hop into classwork and see what we're doing this week. Okay, I wasn't able to access a student's account right now. They're working on it, so my background might look a little different than yours, but basically it's going to be by the week and all of your assignments are posted, and I'll have some optional fun extra challenges posted below if you would like to do them to get some extra. I wanted to show you this upcoming week. So every week you're going to need to pass one math lesson and one reading lesson with 70% proficiency in iReady. Okay? That's our goal. Okay, every week we're going to be having a question, and so you're going to click on it and then view question, and on your side it's going to look like this, and it'll actually have a little space right here for you to make your answer, and then you're going to push turn in right here. I'm a teacher so you can't see it on my side, but it'll have a little box right here. You're going to type your answer and turn in. A couple kids did a great job of responding timely with a comment, but it doesn't show as your assignment turned in if you don't actually turn it in. So only one person turned it in. So you have to make sure you put in the box here, turn in. I'll help you with that if we get stuck with it still. Okay, for Wednesday, let's look. There's two books you're going to read in Epic. They are both nonfiction. Those are books that we actually need to grow in. I assigned Rabbit Pals and Hamster Pals. They're by the same author, and they're assigned an epic for you. But if you click on Rabbit Pals, it actually will show you the book and the author. You'll answer the comprehension questions using complete sentences with capital letters, periods, and citing the page. Make sure you have good grammar. We got to practice those skills. Comparing the text. You'll be looking at Hamster Pals and incomplete sentences, citing evidence to say how different parts of them are similar, etc. Next, I wanted us to finish Percy Jackson, and I noticed that some of you had the paper books and some of you didn't, but I have a solution. So we're on page 142, and if you have the paper book, I have the pages right up here for you for each day that we're reading it so that you can read along in your own book if you want. If you want to read it by yourself and you don't have access, I actually have taken all of the pages and put them up here for you so that you can read. Well, maybe you just aren't feeling up to it. If you click these links right here, I actually will be reading that book to you so that you can hear me read and read along with me. And then I have one comprehension question every day about Percy Jackson to make sure you understand the text. Okay, for Thursday. You should complete one of those iReady lessons Maybe you're reading and you're going to click off that you did it, saying I passed it, yep, and turned it in. Push submit when you're done. Math Antics, we're reviewing unlike adding and subtracting unlike fractions. So you can watch this little video of review and then take the quiz. I have a little poster to remind you right there. You're going to need some scratch paper or a whiteboard. Please try to solve accurately. If you don't solve it accurately, it's telling me that you need extra help and that we need to spend more time on unlike fractions, okay? And then you'll be writing a short opinion essay about what is better, the hamster or the rabbits, based on the stories. And I need you to write a paragraph about that. So you'll have an opportunity to explain why you think that is better for you, in your opinion. And then the next Percy Jackson, the link with the YouTube video or pages and the question. Finally, on Friday, passing that Math I Ready lesson, watching the Subtracting Unlike Fractions video review, playing a Kahoot. Now, I know it's a Kahoot, but I need you to write your name. You're going to not have a timer on this one. You're going to use scratch paper or a whiteboard. If you miss a bunch of questions, you're telling me that you need more help with the unlike fractions, okay? So as soon as we have overall proficiency in the class, we'll move on to something else. But right now we're seeing how you're doing. And then below, I'll keep adding to this, but optional fun, there's some extra like learning challenges for you that Miss Upman and Miss Fatoy's class is doing if they have the time and they're interested. Okay, for this last one, I'm sorry this video is kind of long today. I'll try to make them shorter in the future. We're not going to be doing Zoom after all. It turns out that there's some security issues and we want to do what's best for you and what's safe for you. So we'll be doing Google Meets. And so in Google Meets, I'll give you a link to come in and we'll try to do it at 9 o'clock starting on Wednesday, April the 8th. And we'll do it for about 20 minutes so people can say hi to each other. But after about 20 minutes, we'll log off. And if you need tutoring, I'll have some tutoring sessions for you that you can sign up for. And I'll give you more information about that soon. This week, our goal is to make sure we're using our technology appropriately, using complete sentences, and making sure we can log in. So just a reminder, like, it's okay if you are having problems. We're all just need to take a breath. We're on a new frontier here. I really care about you guys, and I'm sorry that we're having to make these adjustments right now, but I'm really happy that you're safe at home right now because it's the best place you can be. Please dojo me or email me if you have any questions about anything. Have a great day.